Hi, welcome back. This is the introduction to the Interactive Design Studio inside Zipadi. The Interactive Design Studio consists of 5 main components. Down the right-hand side is the page layout. Each one of these icons represents a page that you have loaded with your publication. In the center area, we call this the stage or the artboard. Over here on the left, these are your tools, your page elements, and properties. Now, one note about the properties element. When there are no elements on the page selected, the page properties is your SEO tool. To edit the SEO, you can come in here and add a title, keywords, description, and any meta content or additional content you want to add to that particular page. Now let's discuss the tools. Over here, we have a button tool, we have text tool, and we also have a link region tool. Now, a link region is an area within your image that you wish to make actionable. In order to make that area actionable, simply create a link region and come over to your Actions palette and click Edit on Actions. Now, there are a number of actions preloaded into Zipadi and many other configurations that can be created. In this case, I'm just going to simply say turn to page, and I'll say turn to page 32. You'll notice that I could link to a website, play a video, play an audio clip, show an image, or add to a shopping cart. Now for buttons, buttons are actually a little bit more configurable in that you can change the way they look and feel. So double click on the button and say type in the text that you want to type. And then over here you'll notice the element properties allows you to change the color of the text, the button style, borders, corners, that type of thing. You can make that button look pretty much however you want. Now once a button has been placed where you want it on the page, you can then go and assign an action to it as well. The same holds true for text. Text can be placed anywhere on the page, and then an action can be assigned to that text in much the same way. Using these simple drag and drop tools, you'll be able to place interaction points anywhere within your document. These interaction points can be used to create interactivity so that your end users, your readers, will get more out of their experience with your online publication. Once your publication has been completed and you feel like it's ready to go, we're going to talk about how you finish up and publish. I'm going to go ahead and remove that button since this is a live publication, and I would just hit save. Now once you've saved your document, you simply close, and that will return you to the dashboard. The dashboard is the place where you're going to manage all of the documents that you're hosting inside the Zipadi platform. You can view these documents in this detail list, or you can select thumbnails to see a thumbnail of the cover of those publications. Now in order to make this active and online, you'll want to come down here to the bottom to the Edit Properties with that selected. Edit Properties, and you'll want to just give it a URL. The pubs.zipadi.com part of your URL exists. All you need to do is give it the last part. Now you can select offline or online. That's going to determine whether it's available on the web. And you can also determine which skin to assign to your player. And we're going to discuss skins and skin editing in a future video. So that basically covers the introduction to the Design Studio. Please feel free to look at our future videos to learn how to use more of the features inside Zipadi.